Now, let's welcome Dr. Cortez.
Ayubad, ay pagong kapasit daw. Thank you. I'm glad that I'm back. Mukhang magiging regular na tao dito. Good afternoon, Doc. So, as we heard, the concern of our letter sender, kindly give us information regarding the concern of our letter sender. Okay, direct contact, as you have said, it implies close personal contact with a person having a communicable disease where the disease is being transmitted as well. One known example is anthrax. What about it, Doc? It caused by the Bacillus anthracis and it causes ulcerated skin lesions or influenza. Like symptoms, headache, fever, and nausea are major symptoms.
What are the treatments here, Doc?
Treatments are penicillin, usually in combination with streptomycin. Treatment possibilities are erythromycin or tetracycline, cephalosporins or chloramphenicol. Well, there are now vaccines available in the market for animals and persons with high occupational risk. Another example of direct contact disease is leprosy. Leprosy is caused by Mycobacterium leprae. It is a severely disfiguring skin disease. Usually it requires prolonged exposure to nasal secretion of heavy bacterial shedders. The incubation period may be 3 to 5 years or even longer. It starts as skin lesion and progresses slowly. Most lesions heal spontaneously. Those that don't are of two types. First one is the tuberculoid or neutral. It is mild, non-progressive, delayed time, hypersensitivity. The other one is lepromatous, progressive, relentlessly progressive disfigurement. Long-term treatment, sulfa drugs, rifampin, clofazimine.
Inom ka muna, Doc. Masyadong maraming binasa mong punchline.
We will be back after the break.